think you and your partner can handle the challenge? Let's give you all a small preview of what you all can prepare for the event.
Right, today we are going to demonstrate the correct method of preparing sandwich. So we are preparing today chicken and mayonnaise sandwich with cucumber, tomato and lettuce. So there is to apply the butter. The butter we are using as expected to prevent the press on the waste of the fillings. Now we are ready with this one. Then seasoned chicken. This chicken, seasoned chicken with mayonnaise, soda, pepper. If you don't add too much mayonnaise, there will be the hole. Then adding the right then still follow this up. Then split the cucumber and tomato. I never see anything just so that okay, yes, I did this. Now we can cut a different shape. We can cut it in a triangle shape, or we can cut it in a triangle or square. Okay. So in that way, triangle shape. Tôi biết tên cái gì xin được nha. Tôi put it there. That is right. Okay, now we are going to do the cold water. This is the carrot and cabbage. Carrot, tomato, cabbage. This is the wine for a carrot. Please, no touch up any oil sauce mask. Usually, white and clean. Some put it in private of with the sauce. Maybe you want for taking marriage for you can also chicken sandwich. Put it. So chicken mayonnaise sandwich is cucumber, tomato and cheese with the sauce salad. Chicken and potato with the sauce. You are not allowed to be cook food from the outside for the salary competition. But you can use our kitchen for the preparation and service. Then for the sandwich, we have a choice of sandwich with chicken, fish, egg roll, vegetable.
First we cut the lemons and we muddle them. We get some mint leaves. And next we edit crushed ice. And next we edit some syrup. Finally we edit some Sprite or soda or something. Just like that, our blueberry mojito is ready. For the event, for participation, we are given cups and ice.
Before entering the competition, here are a few things that you need to know. Each team must have 2 registered participants and you will get exactly 1 hour to prepare and plate your dishes. So time management matters. Each team must bring their own ingredients because we will provide the basic kitchen equipment only. And throughout the competition, make sure to maintain cleanliness and proper hygiene at all times. The team selected from the first round will move on to the final and follow the rules and keep the competition fun and fair because any serious mistake that can lead to disqualification. And yes, every participant will get a certificate and the first, second, third place winners will receive a medal and the winning team will walk away with the cash prize too. So grab your partner and get ready for the BCAS Culinary Showdown.